An angle is formed when two rays have a common endpoint. That common endpoint is called a vertex. The name of this angle could be angle ABC, or it could be angle CBA. It could even be called angle 2 if there's a number in there. What it cannot be called is angle CAB or angle ACB because there are no rays in that direction. And neither point A or point C are the vertex, and they have to meet at a vertex to be an angle. Two angles that share a ray are said to be adjacent angles. Angles ABC and angles DBC are adjacent because they share the ray BC.